Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to submit a ticket in GCash. So let's start. First, open your GCash application. In this home page, tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. From here, scroll down and tap on Help. Next, tap on Chat with Gigi at the bottom. In this chat, simply type I want to submit a ticket and send it. Once you do that, you will see an option that says Submit a Ticket. Simply tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address, your registered full name, and your mobile number. After that, select the concern category. Below, you can describe your concern in this text box. You can also add attachments such as photos, screenshots, or videos to support your claim. After filling out all the information, just tap on Submit. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.